ko, it's mukbang time. So, kalimutan mo na mag-diet si Mami Pipay. So, nata karon sa McDonald's. And of course, Big Mac. So, Big Mac guys is napakalaking burger. Burger pa to, di ba?
Thank you, Ate Pe, sa libre.
Ha? Dami kayo. Burger lang dinner ni Mami guys. Of course, di makalimutan ang fries. Yummy. Ito yung mga pinsan ko guys. Double chicken, Marimar.
Double chicken,
chicken.
guys.
Double chicken.
Sarap.
Double chicken, double rice, Marimar. So,
Thank you.
this is for today, my dinner in McDonald's. Thank you for watching. This is McDonald's in Taguig City.